Today, I'm going to show you how to put on contacts start to finish, and this is going to be so beginner friendly. You could do this for your first time. Now, the contacts I got from My BB came with this little applicator tool and this little tweezers. This is what I prefer to insert it into my eye. If I use my finger, it's harder to see, and I flinch way too much. This kind of helps with that. So I'm going to make sure that this has no fuzzies on it, and same with this, because this is what I'm going to use to pick up the contacts. Now here are the contacts. I made sure to put them in a fresh solution the day before. That way they're nice and ready and primed and prepped to go. So I'm going to use the little tweezers to get it out. We're going to inspect the lens and make sure there's no fuzzies on it. Set that down. There is no fuzzies. What we're going to do is we're going to set it on the applicator. Lovely. It's the right shape. It has a nice curve, and if it was the wrong shape, it would kind of indent out. So now we're going to pick it up off there. We're going to remove the excess fluid off it with a piece of clean paper towel. Then we're going to attach it back on after we're sure there's no fuzzies. Lovely. Now we're going to put it in our eyeball. So what you're going to do, you're going to pull up on your eye from underneath the eyelashes. This way it won't be able to fall down. You're going to pull down here and you're going to insert it into your eye. Just go slowly. It's definitely going to feel weird. Awesome, we did it. Just like that. It's really not that difficult. You just have to go slowly. So I'm going to dry off the little applicator and we're going to put in the other one so I can show you how to do that one. All right, so we're inspecting both our tools again. There is a little fuzzy because you don't want the fuzzy in your eye. It does not feel good. So let's get the contact out again. Going to look at the contact and pick it up with our tweezers. Lovely. So now we inspect the contact. There's nothing on it. So that's good. Just making sure that if there's any discoloration, it's good. All right, so we're going to set it on this. Okay, so this is the wrong shape. Do you see how that is? That is the wrong shape. It kind of like indents out, and how it indents right there. That is the wrong shape. So we flip it in. And do you see how it's more of like a cave? That is the right shape. All right, let's take it off here for a second. Dry our applicator. Look at it. Put it on. Now let's get it into our eyeball. So again, pull up underneath the eyelash right there, and you're going to apply it to your eye slowly, slowly. And there you go. That is it. And now we have black contacts in for the cool spider look I'm going to be doing, so you should check that out. Anyways, I hope this really helps you learn how to get your contacts in. It's really not that difficult. As soon as you get it in once, you're just going to really understand it a little bit better. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. Bye!